Understanding Garden Pests, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term, garden pests. This phrase might sound simple, but it's packed with meaning, especially for anyone interested in gardening or nature. Let's dive in and learn all about it. Garden pests are organisms, usually insects or small animals, that cause harm to plants in a garden. They can eat the leaves, stems, or roots of plants, causing damage or even killing the plants. Examples include aphids, slugs, and caterpillars. It's important to understand that not all insects or animals in a garden are pests. Many are actually beneficial. Here, we'll discuss some common garden pests. For instance, aphids are small, soft-bodied insects that suck the sap from plants, weakening them. Slugs and snails are another common pest. They chew on leaves and stems, especially at night. Caterpillars, the larvae of butterflies and moths, can also be problematic as they eat the leaves of plants. Managing garden pests involves various methods, from physical removal to using natural or chemical repellents. It's important to choose a method that's effective but also safe for the environment. Some gardeners prefer organic methods, like introducing natural predators of the pests, while others might opt for chemical pesticides in severe cases. This section highlights the importance of maintaining a balanced ecosystem in the garden. Not all insects or animals are harmful. Many play a crucial role in pollination and controlling the population of actual pests. Understanding this balance is key to sustainable gardening practices. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand the term, garden pests, better. Remember, effective gardening involves not just dealing with pests but also understanding and maintaining the ecological balance. Happy gardening and happy learning!